And we have another Christmas video, another tree, just slightly different. This one I made last year just out of branches that I found outside on a walk. I just tied them together with a bit of rope and I used some wooden beads just to make it a little bit more pretty. And I think the whole reason I made the tree was because of this star. I just love this star. It makes everything so much better. And then I found some matching little lights that are in the shape of a star as well, just battery powered because I don't have like a socket to plug anything more substantial in. And I've used in some places just nails and in some places these little hooks. Hooks are definitely better, it's just a little bit more fiddly to put them in, as well as because you are walking past it you might catch yourself on a nail, so it would be safer to use those rounded hooks. So maybe eventually I'll get rid of all the nails and swap them out with these, but for now I'm just adding some more because more is always better, at least in this house. I've also wanted to add some moss just to give it a bit more interest, some dried lemon slices because I had them laying around from another project. I thought that would be cute, so I'm just gonna use hot glue to glue it straight onto the stick. I kind of wish I had some mushrooms to glue on. I know I have some laying around in the house, some little ones, but they are like light wooden color. I would like some realistic looking mushrooms that I could then glue onto the moss. I think that would look really cute. Maybe next year, who knows? You can easily make the sliced lemon at home just by baking it in the oven. Ooh, got some glue on my finger. Nice. I've tried baking it myself, but I put the temperature up too high, so they didn't come out great. And these ones somebody else made, probably somebody who knew what they were doing, but I didn't research it, so I'm sure that there's plenty of information online on how to dry them properly, because they do look very nice and I wish I had some more. This moss is like live, so it's quite dark and wet. Eventually it'll dry out and look a little bit lighter. Maybe the leftover moss that I have, I'll try and spray paint green once it's dry, just to make it look a little bit more fresh and alive. I don't have a lot of room left in the dining area for a proper Christmas tree, which I had last year. So this is like a nice alternative to have that doesn't take up a lot of room and still gives it that Christmas tree feeling. Just imagine having little mushrooms just sitting there in between the moss. That would look so cute. Maybe some little wooden houses. Already can't wait for next year. Also, it was really difficult to film. Like, I just could not get the light right, and the room is quite dark, and it is dark outside, so it looks a little bit grim. I'm sorry about that. This is as far as I got with the moss. I think I don't want to put too much on there. And now it's my favorite time. We can start decorating it. I got these last year from IKEA. I have 3 of them. I like to get things in 3s. I'm not sure why. Lately, the ornaments have become so expensive that getting 3 would mean spending £15. So this year I was like, no, I'm only getting 1, just 1 here and there. And it's okay, because there are some really cute ones out there that 1 is enough. Like this little fox, it's so cute. And if there was 3 of them, I think it would defeat the cuteness. Having 1 just makes it more special. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you soon. Bye!